So press right now auto landing. And welcome back guys to 509. So today we're going to be looking at this small little spy drone, and it does come with a little camera. Here's what comes in the box. You got your remote, tools, extra props, charger, manual, and you also got a phone holder. You do have to download an app to look through the camera. So the drone does have a movable camera. You can move it, but you have to move it by your hand. So you could just face it down. It does have auto takeoff and landing, which is kind of cool. Pretty small too, and pretty lightweight. This thing costs 80 bucks. I've seen drones in this kind of price range that were a lot harder to fly. I've already flew it before, and I think if you're like a new beginner to flying, just helicopters and drones, this one is pretty easy. You got 3 different speeds, 1, 2, and 3, and then you got your landing and takeoff. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's what the app looks like. So there's a couple of settings here. To be honest, I don't know exactly what all of them mean, but you guys could play around with it. So like I said, the video quality is not like the highest, but still pretty cool to just have a little camera on it. So first you gotta do the up and down throttle to arm it. So now we're gonna do the auto takeoff. So right now, I'm not doing anything with my remote. So I'm not doing anything. It's hovering pretty good actually. So let's go fly it a little bit. Let's turn it around. Let's fly it back. Pretty cool. It's pretty easy to fly. If you flew drones before, it's like the same thing. It is pretty quick. Dang. Dude, not bad. Let's see how high I could pick it up. Yeah, that's actually pretty high. Dude, it's still going. Dude. Okay, I don't know if I'm getting any video signal, but you can see it's still flying pretty high up. Do you see it?
Yeah, it's right below the tree.
Oh, it just fell down. I don't know what happened, but it just fell down. If the battery just died, or it just stopped recording and it just died. And it shows still pretty full bar. So, I don't know. Let me just tilt the camera a little bit higher up like this. I don't know. Kind of strange why it shut off, but this is speed 1, and I'm going full forward. So this is like a nice little speed to just kind of practice, I guess. Oh, it just cut off again. Ah, that's weird. It is kind of weird. Press the auto takeoff button.
Which one is that?
On the right corner. So whenever you're starting, you want to press on. It'll blink, so you got to press up, down, and then that's how you auto take off. So sometimes if it doesn't auto take off, just turn it off, turn it back on, and it'll work again. So to take off without the auto, you press this one and this one to the corners. Press it down to the corners. This corner right here to the left, and this corner to the right. Yep. And then you just give power, and that's it. So that's if you want to take off without auto takeoff.
But then you crash again.
So yeah, just kind of play around with it for a little bit. So this is his first time trying a drone out. Hey, you never flew a drone, right? Hey, it's the first time flying a drone. What do you think? Not bad?
Yeah.
It's not.
Control it.
I mean, it's not too hard. So this is first speed, which I think is great for beginners.
How do you land this?
So just go all the way down or press the auto landing. Yeah. Look at that, man. You can work for DJI now.
Hey, give me a DJI license, bro.
We only lost one bar so far, and we've been flying probably, what, a good 5 minutes? It'd be cool if the camera was a little bit more wide angle, but still, it's not bad. It is not stabilized, so it is kind of hard to see where you're flying. It's easier just to look at the drone and fly, but it is kind of cool just to have some kind of recording.
Do a backflip.
So press right now auto landing, and not bad at all. Yeah, if you go too far, it's hard to see which way you're going.
The heck, dude?
We do have only one battery left. That's it. It's coming down by itself. And battery done.
How long did you fly it?
I don't know, we flew probably like around, what, 10 minutes? 15?
Yeah.
Not bad.
Yeah, I would
Battery.
say, yeah, I'll probably say a good 12 minutes.
Are they like proprietary batteries?
So the batteries, you can't change them. So you could grab more batteries, they just slide out,
Yeah.
and then you just charge them. But no, pretty cool. Overall, I think just to have fun in the park, just to kind of take it out with your kids, or just, you know,
Your dog.
with your dog, have your dog chase it. It's not bad. Yeah, the video quality, I wish it was more wide angle, so you can actually see where you're going. But it is not stabilized either, so it is kind of shaky.
Yeah.
So thanks guys for watching. Subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time.